What's up, guys? I'm Kaya Talise. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I'm Kaya Talise. And today we're doing a Wholesale 7 review. Now, I stumbled upon this video. This lovely young lady, if I can find it, I will link her video below. But she sold me. She was geeked up. She hyped them up. It wasn't a sponsored video. She came across Wholesale 7, I guess, just because a lot of people were talking about them. And she was just like ecstatic, okay? She was like, this is where you need to order from. It's the new Fashion Nova, in a sense. And, oh, if you're starting a boutique, if you need a vendor, yada, 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 honey. She sold me. I was here for it. So we're going to get into the nitty gritty. And my package came. It is unopened. So this is going to be an unboxing and a fashion haul all in one. Y'all know I love to get my reactions on camera, raw footage. So I'm ready. But first, we're going to get into the real deal spiel, because the young lady who video that I watched firsthand, she said shipping was fast. We won't reference her too much more, like anymore. We won't reference her. Shipping took about 16 days. Shipping was $29.51. If I'm paying $30 for shipping, I expect it to come overnight. Okay, I'm gonna just let you know that now. Why is it taking you 2 full weeks to send my package and I gave y'all $30 whole? I have an issue with that. So let's see. I placed my order on July 15th. For 7 items, and it was $118. Okay, not bad. Granted, factoring it was a $30 shipping fee in that. So give or take, it was like a $80, $90, 80 something dollar order total, right? Okay, great. So I contacted them on 7/21. You know, I ordered on the 15th. By the 21st, I reached out because I'm like, hey, where's my tracking number? Okay, I'm trying to see what's going on. They responded back rather quickly, and they were like, hey, you know, 2 of your items are sold out. I'm sorry, what? So y'all wasn't gonna say nothing? Like, why y'all didn't reach out to me and say 2 of my items are sold out? So, okay, at this point, I'm a little irritated because it's been a week basically and y'all ain't said shit. Okay, great. Okay, they're sold out. Send me my money back and send my package. So they responded rather quickly and said, oh, no problem. We'll credit you your money back and ship out the rest of your items. I said, all right, cool. The communication was rather fast. I should have asked them why y'all ain't say nothing, but we didn't want to go into all that. So, yep, they sent the money back. I got my refund on the 24th after contacting them on the 21st. And then, yep, I told them give me my money back on the 22nd. I got my money back by the 24th. And then, yeah, my package was received on the 31st. So we're going to jump right into the haul. Enough of, I guess, the analytics on that. We're going to see. So let's get into it. Let's open her up. I don't know, y'all. I ain't even, whatever. $30. Okay. It's just all tape. They ain't even no bag. They just take the hell out of it for $30. That's the worst $30 bag I ever seen. Good Lord. Come on now, Wholesale 7. Oh, they want me to get in here. There's so much tape. Oh my gosh. It's a FedEx bag in here and they tape over the FedEx bag. Like, what's wrong with them? All right, so I'll be back in a second. He said, which was $9.92. So this was $10. It's a cotton set. It's literally a cotton set. Like, it's a cotton short set, like biker shorts and t-shirt, tie-dye. It's a 2-piece t-shirt and shorts, no pockets. This is a size large. The fit is okay. I mean, as far as material and quality, I wouldn't put this in the dryer if I were you, if you want to wear it more than one time. It fits all right. It for $10, I ain't mad at it, okay? I mean, this is what you see. But it is cotton. A lot of people that I saw reviewing this particular item was saying that it was like that spandexy nylon, like I don't even know, maybe even lycra. So it is cotton, so I do like that about it. I actually have another set that I'll try on next because I think maybe that one is that material. So for $10, I'll give, don't laugh at my nail, I'll give it a thumbs up. All right, now feeling a little bozo-esque. This particular set was $12.33, and I think it was $12.33 because technically I guess it's a plus size set, so it is an extra large. So I'm assuming because of the material, that's why it was a little bit more. Now I'm saying bozo-esque because this is the material that I'm talking about. Whatever this is, it's gonna be a no for me. This is like fake silky. For one, I don't like the size, the extra large. I like the way the shirt fits. I actually have some denim shorts that I'll try on next with this shirt. But the way that it gives off too much shine, and then the pants are dull, the outfit just looks cheap. So I don't like this one so much. I don't know if it's the colors or the material. However, for $12, I guess it's just hit and miss. You know what I mean? I can't be too upset. When you spend $30 for shipping, I can be upset. But neither here nor there. This is what we have. This is what we're working with. Again, no pockets. So, I mean, you know, that's all you get. So, I don't even know what to call this material, but this is what I believe a lot of their clothes are made out of. Whatever they make their stuff within China, this is what you get. The colors are cute, but I don't really like it. You know, it just looks cheap. So next. All right, so these shorts were $12.87. And now normally I don't do denim. These are a size extra large. I don't do denim that runs small, medium, large, that don't have a waist number, because typically I'm a 32, 34, depending on the brand. And with small, medium, large, extra large don't fit. It's not enough stretch, not enough give. They're high-waisted. I like the distressed. It's like just enough and not too much. It's like right in the right places. It's up the front and the back. They have actual pockets. Probably not that I would use them, just because since they're high-waisted, it's like kind of awkward. The pockets in the back are no good because they're cut up, but there are pockets. I actually like these shorts for $13. They're rather cute. Yeah, I like these. So this is a yes for me. How about that? Cute. You like these, girl? $12. Okay.
Yeah, flash. You are looking at a legend in the flesh. Fresh about the kitchen to the check. Blue quarter key on the set. Hold up. Pose.
Okay. All right, y'all. So on this item right here, it was $9.99, and this is a size large. And I feel like they played me, because this ain't no shit I would order. This ain't nothing I would wear. This ain't nothing that I like. It's not my style. And if you watch my videos, I think you got like a sense of my flavor, my sauce, you know what I'm saying? And you could leave a comment down below and tell me, because like, butterflies? Where I'm going with this on? Like, a white dress with butterflies all over it? No, sis. I think something else in my basket must have been sold out So they was just like, just put this in her order because I know for a fact I didn't put this in my cart.
Looking back at my order, I know what went wrong with this dress. It was tie-dye when I selected it, and when I scrolled over through the options, it had butterflies on it. So it definitely was a misconception with the order on this. I'll put both of them up, so I don't know why I didn't say butterfly, what happened, but yeah, I was disappointed in this color choice for sure.
This is the last item that I have for you guys, and I got this because I actually wear this brand, and I just wanted to see for myself what in the knockoff was going on. And I mean, hey, it ain't bad. It ain't real, but it ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? Because I have a ton of this in my closet. And if you actually are going to order this from them, you can order down a size. Because this is size small. Okay? So, yeah. I just wanted to put that out there. So, yeah. I don't know what to say about this. Honestly, I'm just not a fan. For it to be underclothes, I really don't care. I'm not a fan of knockoffs, but nobody would really see it. It's not an outfit, so who cares? And it was only 12 bucks because on the site for Ethika, you would pay $12 for just one piece. So if you're gonna venture off into Wholesale 7, sure, why not? The quality, if I probably would have got a medium, I would say the quality is on point. Since I got a small, I'm stretching and ripping a little bit, but it still fits. If you shop this brand, you know that their clothes, their stuff runs big already. So maybe it's true to size, but I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back, and I wanted to just actually go put on a set and examine this a little closer. I mean, okay, yeah, we definitely know that it's not real, but just for the sake of, like, they did a good job, honestly. Again, like I said, it's underclothes, so nobody's gonna really know. It's spelled the same, I think. Whatever. It's spelled the same. It's got the same logo. They have logos that are different colors like that. The one I have on is actually a red piece in the EC. So I mean, the quality is just not the same, but I mean, it's not real, so you can't expect the quality to be the exact same. But overall, my opinion on Wholesale 7. So no, I probably will not be ordering from them again when you factor in how long it took for my package to arrive, the shipping cost, and the fact that 2 of the items were sold out. And
Not only were they sold out, but they didn't even reach out to me and say anything. Like, how long, or were they ever gonna reach out to me and say anything? That's an issue for me. Like, it was already taking quite some time. It took a long time for the package to come. So I just, you know, when you spend $30 for shipping, you expect things to come rather expeditiously. So, you know, then stuff is selling out, y'all not communicating. That's a problem. So no, I'm good though.
They didn't even communicate with me to let me know, prolonging the shipping of the package, as well as, I know for a fact I didn't select that white dress with them butterflies on it. Like, y'all was just gonna play me like that. So yeah, it's a no for me. Some people seem to have good experiences, some people don't. So I'm not gonna take that chance again when I know that there's other sites that I do like and are pretty much hit, no miss every time. So yeah, that's it for me. That's it for this video. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe because there'll be more coming. Just like it. Stay tuned. Thanks, guys.